Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make a sponge box cake mix. As we all know, a box cake mix is quite straightforward and easy, but it always tastes like store-bought, and I believe a lot of us want to make it taste homemade. So I am here to show you that. Let's just move straight into how to do that. First, we have our cake box and we have our ingredients, our description, and our procedures. First, they asked for 3 eggs, but I am giving them 4. They asked for water, but I am giving milk, and I am also giving oil, even though they didn't ask for it. So, from that step onwards, we can just proceed to follow the description at the back of the box. Proceed to add all your ingredients together. And for the eggs, you are going to separate the egg whites from the egg yolk and then add your egg yolk into the batter. Whisk it up completely. And also do not forget to scrape the sides and the bottom of your bowl so as to pack that in all. And then also I added my vanilla to just give that extra flavor. Proceed then to whip your egg whites. You can add your lemon juice in here to make it stiff, more stiff and stable. If this is your first time on my channel, guys, do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. And please give this video a thumbs up. Proceed to add almost half of your egg white into your batter, and you can mix this as thoroughly as you can. This is just to loosen up your batter before you add the remaining of your egg whites. And then from this point on, you have to fold in your batter so as to not deflate the egg. This is a sponge cake, guys, so do not forget you need to fold the batter in, and this cake needs to be spongy. Yeah. We can proceed to add that into our lined pan. Guys, do not forget to check the description box down below for written recipe and tips. I baked this for 40 minutes as said on the cake box, and it is ready. It looks so pretty, but I just need to make it look prettier by adding my whipped cream buttercream on top of it. I am just adding it on top of the cake. I am not making it a layer cake. And then I proceeded to add my coconut flakes. As you can see, my whipped cream butter looks so silky and smooth. I have a video on how to make this, so make sure you check that out. We are done with our cake and it is ready to be served. I cannot wait to show you how fluffy this looks and airy and spongy. As you can see, it is so spongy and ooh, I tell you guys, this cake tastes homemade and it looks homemade. Look at that go through. Ooh. Hey guys, this is a bite for you if you can take it. Okay. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Not forget to subscribe and give a comment down below. Bye.